Welcome, beautiful soul. As the veil thins and the wheel turns to sowing, we enter the season of endings, remembrance, and rebirth. Tonight, we honor our ancestors, release what no longer serves, and open our hearts to the mystery of transformation. Let these affirmations guide you through the sacred dark to help you remember your magic, your roots, and your infinite light. I honor all endings as sacred beginnings in disguise. I release what no longer serves my spirit. I trust the cycles of death and rebirth within me. As one chapter closes, another is written in gold. I surrender to transformation with grace and courage. The darkness is not my enemy, it is my womb of becoming. I let go of what must die so my soul may live freely. I am safe in the unknown. I allow the old version of me to return to the earth. My rebirth is inevitable, my power eternal. I face my shadows with compassion and curiosity. I am whole, light, dark, and everything in between. My fears are teachers guiding me to truth. I no longer fear my power, I embrace it fully. I am not broken, I am beautifully complex. My wounds are portals to deeper wisdom. I welcome all parts of myself into the circle of healing. I alchemize pain into power. My darkness holds sacred medicine. I am my own healer and light bringer. I honor the wisdom of those who came before me. My ancestors walk beside me in love and strength. I am the living dream of my lineage. I am a bridge between worlds, past, present, and future. I release inherited pain and keep the blessings. I carry my ancestors' resilience within my bones. I am rooted in the strength of my bloodline. My altar is a meeting place of love across time. I am guided by ancestral light. The love of my ancestors protects and uplifts me. My intuition is clear and trustworthy. I am open to messages from the spirit world. The veil is thin, and my soul listens deeply. I trust the whispers of my inner knowing. I am surrounded by benevolent spirits of love and wisdom. My dreams reveal sacred guidance. I walk between worlds with reverence. My psychic senses are awakened and aligned. I am a channel of divine insight. I move through mystery with confidence and faith. My magic flows effortlessly through intention and faith. Every breath I take is a spell of creation. My energy shapes reality in alignment with my highest good. I am the spell. The universe conspires with me in perfect harmony. My power grows stronger with every moon. My rituals are sacred acts of remembrance. I am the alchemist of my life. My magic is ancient, natural, and limitless. I honor the elements: earth, air, fire, water, and spirit, within and around me. I release old patterns with gratitude. I cleanse my spirit with the fire of renewal. I am free from attachments that dim my light. I forgive myself and others with ease. My energy is my own, clear, grounded, and sovereign. I invite peace into the spaces left by release. I am purified by the sacred darkness of Samhain night. My aura glows brighter with every layer I shed. I no longer carry what was never mine. I make space for miracles. I honor the turning of the wheel and the wisdom of each season. As nature rests, so may I. The wheel turns, and I flow with it. I trust the timing of my life. I am in rhythm with Earth's heartbeat. Change is my ally, not my fear. Each season brings new magic and meaning. My life unfolds in divine cycles of renewal. I rest when the land rests. I rise when the light returns. I am one with the rhythm of the cosmos. My circle is sacred, my energy protected. Only love and light may enter my space. My boundaries are spells of self-respect. I walk in power, unseen yet deeply felt. I am shielded by ancestral guardians. My home is a sanctuary of warmth and safety. I call my energy back from all directions, cleansed and whole. I am a pillar of grounded light. I am surrounded by divine protection. My aura repels harm and radiates peace. I give thanks for all that has grown and all that is yet to bloom. My heart overflows with gratitude for life's cycles. I celebrate my growth this year. I am thankful for lessons, blessings, and transformations alike. I honor the harvest of my effort. I receive abundance with open hands and an open heart. I am nourished by the fruits of my labor. Gratitude multiplies my magic. I am content, grounded, and deeply blessed. I close this cycle in peace and grace. From darkness, I rise renewed. I am reborn with wisdom and clarity. I trust the seeds I plant in the dark will bloom in time. I call in a new year filled with magic and purpose. I embody the power of transformation. My future is a mirror of my inner peace. I walk forward with faith in my becoming. The new year begins within me. I am light reborn from the shadow. So it is, and so it shall be.